Hello everyone, my name is Anson Anthony and welcome back to Simple Smart Trader channel. So today also the expiry was not at all good. In the start they had given a proper movement and but in the end again it went sideways and it gave a losses. So I also took a trade and gave a good profit in the start in the morning itself. And how did I took the trade, everything I'll show in the later part of the video. But let's begin market analysis for tomorrow and let's see the stocks and everything, which all stocks you can buy and how you can manage your trade. So if you see, the first stock which I have for you is Sun Pharmaceutical. So Sun Pharma, if you see, there is an important support zone here. This is an important support zone, and yahan pe if you see exactly it came here and it went up. On this side also it came down and it went up, and here they gave a bullish trap. So what exactly is bullish trap? So once you get a bullish trap, you have to soon enter in the trade, but nevertheless you don't worry, because in 15 minutes time frame, if you see, market is exactly above the 200 EMA and it is showing a beautiful structure. So if you overall see this pattern, it is giving an inverted head and shoulder pattern. So wherever the market has closed today, that level is very important. So in 15 minutes time frame, if you see, this level is quite important. So you have to trade once this level has been broken, that is 1139. So once 1139 level has been broken, you have a clear-cut target. So the first target which I would suggest is 1144. After that you can go for 1149, and after that finally you can go for 1159. So these are the levels for Sun Pharmaceuticals, because on the downside I would suggest don't go for the trade, because market is too volatile and market will give you a trap. So these are the levels in Sun Pharmaceuticals. So in next trade which I have for you is Adani. So in Adani Enterprises, if you see in the daily time frame, exactly market is around its its important support zone. So and yahan pe if you see, it came down, it went up, but again it came down, and today's candle also it tried to move up, but again it formed an inverted doji and it is coming downside. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and in 15 minutes time frame, if you see, it exactly took an resistance at its 200 EMA, and slow and steadily it is coming on the downer side. So you have to just wait patiently wherever the level I am giving to you. So this is the important level. Which level? 2214. So once 2214 level has been broken, you can go for a trade, and the first target which I would suggest is 2168, and later on you can go for this target, which is very clear here. So the second target would be 2173, and the final target which I would suggest to you is this one. You can go for 2103. So these are the levels in Adani Enterprises. So what you have to do, you have to patiently wait for 2206 to be crossed, and then 2174, 168 and 103 are the levels. But if market is coming and taking a support and going on the upper side, you can directly go to the trade, and the first target which I would suggest is 2237, and the second target would be somewhere around your 200 EMA, and after that you can trail your stop loss and move on. So the targets on the upside is 2237, 2289. These are the levels on the upside. So these are the two stocks. Now let's go to Finnifty, and in Finnifty, if you see, market slow and steadily came down and it went for a retest, and now it is spending time near around its 200 EMA. So it would be very interesting to see how market will react tomorrow, because tomorrow is Friday, and on Fridays usually you get a trends, because your expiry was not at all good, so you will get a trend. So what you have to do, you have to patiently wait for this level, which level where the closing has happened. So this level is very important on the upside, and on the downside also this level which I am showing to you is very important, where the market is trying to close. So once these levels have been broken, you can go and enter in the trade and you can find your target. So on the downside, once this level has been broken, 19212, you can go for a trade, and one would be the gap filling trade, second would be this one, the box breakout, and one more target here, and the final target which I would suggest is this. After that you can trail your stop losses. So once 19212 has been broken, the first target would be 157, 109, 47 and 18969. On the downside, if market, you can go for like this. If market is coming and moving towards upside, you can directly go for the trade, and the first target which I would suggest to you is 19282, and the second target would be 19399. But the for people who can't take risk and should wait patiently, I would suggest you wait for this level to be broken, that is 19391, and the first target which I would suggest is 19489, and the second target is somewhere here, that is 19611, and the final target which I would suggest is this one, that is 19661. So these are the levels in Finnifty, and let's go to Bank Nifty. And in Bank Nifty again the same as I told you, Bank Nifty and Finnifty, they are replica to each other and they will show exact points. So it came down, it took a pullback, and now it is spending time near its 200 EMA. So it will be very interesting to see where you have to enter, but don't take early entries because market is volatile, so it will take your stop losses. So once this level has been broken, which level? 43,257. So once this level has been broken, you have to go for a trade, and the first target which I would suggest to you is this one. This would be the first target. Sorry, you'll keep it here. So this would be the first target, 43,658, and after that you can go for this trade, and again you can go for this target. And once the market is going on the upper side, you can move your stop losses and trail your stop losses. But if market is somewhere coming down, so where the closing has happened, this level is very important. Once the market is coming downside, you can go for a gap filling trade. This would be the first target, and the second target which I would suggest is this one, that is 42,634. Then you can go for 42,526, and the final target which I would suggest is 42,411. So these are the levels on the upper side and on the downside. So trade wisely and keep your stop losses well, and then do the trading. So how did I take trade in today's Nifty, Finnifty, sorry, in Nifty? So I'll show you exactly how did I trade, where did I kept the stop loss, and how you also can save your capital and trade. So here if you see exactly on its opening candle, it gave a breakout. So this was the level where I took a trade and I entered in the trade. So I took a trade here and I kept a stop loss at the edge of the body of the opening candle. I took a trade and then I came down. It slow and steadily tested my patience. It went near my stop loss, but again and again it went up, down, and then slow and steadily with a beautiful changes in the market, it gave me my target. So if you see exactly, it was coming near to my stop losses and it was about to hit my stop loss, but I patiently waited, and then this was the candle where I got my trade and I took my target and I moved on. So this was the level where after that, because after that here it took the target of 200 EMA and then it went on the sideways market. So this was the way I took the trade. So you all also can learn it well and then apply it in your trading strategies, and then you can earn lots and lots of profit. So let's go to analysis. And yesterday, as I said to you, it was coming down. It took a support at its 200 EMA. Now it went up as a pullback, and now it is slow and steadily spending time at the area where I had given to you. And now if you see in the 15 minutes time frame, it is exactly taking a resistance at 200 EMA. So what you have to do, you have to wait patiently to this level to be broken, that is 19,165. Once 19,165 level has been broken, you have to slow and steadily go and enter in the trade, and the first target which I would suggest is 19,233, and after that there is you can take a small target of 19,273, or you can directly go for 19,342, and the final target which I would suggest to you is this one, that is 19,439. So these are the levels on the upside, and on the downside which I would suggest is you have to wait patiently, or you can take a trade on the risky side. Once the market is coming down aside, you can go for a trade, and the first target would be 19,075. If you think you are a little less risk taker, so you can wait patiently and wait for this level to be broken, and then slow and steadily you can go for this gap filling trade, and the final target which I would suggest is this one. These are the two targets on the downside, but if you are entering here itself, you can go for this three targets. So these are the levels in Sun Pharmaceuticals, Adani Enterprises, Finnifty, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you trade well, and if you have any doubts, you can write it in the comment box, or you can ping to me in personally on social media. So see you soon in my next video. Bye. Take care.